ingredients for omelette. Plus have to have some cheese and feta and obviously egg and some milk. And I've just got the coffee machine out of the cupboard and I've tested it and it goes down a treat.
For my wife.
Yes, for my wife and for myself, of course. My Chinese wife is thinking of my heart, and she's not using this fat, but she's using the fat for herself. Isn't that sweet? Alright, the feta in there with a mix, my half, yes. Thank you for making my eggs. You are the best. There's some feta. I'll put some more cheese in there. Obviously, well, not me, but I'm just filming. Very good. Okay, so another omelette being made. No shell there. This is coming along lovely. Be folded over shortly. When I used to do my omelette, I would cook it this side and then put it under the grill. But a lot of people do fold it over and then cook the other way or something like that. Up to them. This is under the grill technique, Jeremiah Esquire. But I'm not cooking though. Look at that beautiful specimen. Just making a coffee here in the old coffee machine. I bought this a long time ago. It even has a coffee warmer and a coffee frother. How's that? Platinum series actually. Rebel. Yeah, I think about 11 years old. Hasn't been used for about 3 years, I think. All good. It still works. Gave it good cleaning. Here's one that's just been made. Haven't added any milk to this. As I was saying, you can do a froth or you can just pour some milk in it. Very good. Very good. And there's another one as well. I've just added a little top up on that, but back to this stunning. And here's another omelette. Just got to have some avocado to be made. Yes, it's a beautiful Sunday today, and avocado being mashed up. We'll come back in a moment. There we have it, some avocado on the side, some spring roll, and a lovely feta and cheese and tomato and onion and spring onion and bacon, of course, omelette. And one's just been made for this one as well. Here's another one being made. Alright, here's a healthy breakfast, I guess, omelette. There you got spring roll, avocado, and the coffee machine coffee. I've made a long video on the process. This is just a little taster. Another omelette being made in the grill.
Okay, good.
So that's just been under the grill for a few moments, cooked on the stovetop. If you watch the full-length video. There we go. Get a presentation. Oh, folding technique. Oh yes. Crouching tiger, hidden dragon. Whoa. Some cheese being sprinkled on. Spectacular. And back to my masterpiece and the coffee. Oh, and I'll put this coffee here too. Yes, I prefer DC, but these are marble, but all good. Uru.